In this guide, we are going over how you can unlock every single stand skin and stand out here in PvP and raids in Bizarre Lineage in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can get a bunch of different ways to get skins, but the main way is by using lucky arrows, and you could get them from a wide variety of areas, and we'll go over that. But the legendary items essentially guarantee a random skin for whatever stand you use them on with no failed rolls, just instant cosmetic upgrades, and you could get these from the raid shop after clearing the Yashi Cage Kira raids from the prestige shop and after earning 10,000 cash and prestiging with Archmage. Or what you could also do is get them from legendary chests in PvE and world events. If you ever want to reset a skin, go ahead and grab the stand skin essence from Rahood's prestige shop, or you could also get it from the Roblox shop just like so if you do scroll down a little bit towards the bottom. You could also get random stand skins as well. However, these are obviously not the most value for your Robux. But you can also use custom clothing essence from the game store as well to apply to your Roblox avatar outfit directly onto your stand. And if you really want exclusive skins, check the premium bundles in the Game Pass for limited cosmetic drops. But the main way for free is by running raids, prestiging consistently, and stacking lucky arrows, and your stand collection will grow so much more. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.